And this is where we get into a dilemma, isn't it? Because there'll be folks who are saying, but the Word was given by God, the canon is complete, we don't need to add to it. So really do we need, and why would God choose to cause somebody to sing a prophetic word or a tongue and then someone else to interpret? Do you find God strange doing that?
I think that many supernatural things are strange. Obviously, to just natural people, supernatural things are strange. God's creation is magnificent in all its wonder and beauty. God obviously has given these multiplied gifts in his own purpose. The canon of Scripture is complete. We're not adding to Scripture. That's not our intention. We give a lot of place to the Bible. On Sunday, I preach for an hour. I would normally preach for an hour. We give a lot of time to the Bible. I expounded 1 Thessalonians chapter 1, 10 verses. I worked my way through. I expounded the Scripture. That's what we believe in. So we had like 3/4 of an hour of worship where gifts of the Spirit came, tender words of love and encouragement and the sense of the nearness of God. It's delightful. Now that doesn't change this bedrock of biblical revelation, which in fact you would judge what people prophesy by the Scriptures. So Paul says in Thessalonians, don't despise prophesying, but test all things. So you bring it to the canon, which means the rule of Scripture. You say, does that tie in? Yes, it ties in, and it's bringing the tender immediacy of God's love. So yeah, I mean, I could say to my wife, well, I told you the day we got married that I loved you. You know, it's in paper. I've got a wedding certificate. But I think she's very pleased I told her this morning I loved her. You know, she said, well, I've got it written down. I don't need you. But it's lovely when you express love. And the gifts of the Spirit bring the immediacy of God's love.